Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 561 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Goldman Sachs is near to offering crypto investment to its wealth management clients. RIOT Blockchain and BitDigital have reported 2020 financial results, and LNK Global has provided an update on its profit share mining partnership. Just before we start the show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast and also the Cannabis podcast, both of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So CNBC reports that Goldman Sachs, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker symbol GS, is close to offering its first investment vehicles for Bitcoin and other digital assets to clients of its private wealth management group. The company's global head of digital assets for its private wealth management division, Mary Rich, confirmed that Goldman plans to start offering these investments in the second quarter. According to Rich, Goldman is looking at ultimately offering a full spectrum of investments in Bitcoin and digital assets, whether that's through the physical Bitcoin, derivatives, or traditional investment vehicles. RIOT Blockchain Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol RIOT, has reported its financial highlights and results for the fourth quarter and full year ended December 31st, 2020. Highlights include a 116% increase in fourth quarter mining revenues, as well as an increase of 110% of Bitcoin held on balance sheet on a year-over-year basis. Jason Les, that's RIOT's CEO, commented, quote, 2020 was a transformative year for RIOT, and we believe that the company's prospects have never been brighter. Our strategic decision to solely focus on Bitcoin mining in early 2020 allowed the company to exit 2020 as a public company leader as measured by total hash rate. We are pleased to have invested into continuing our deployed hash rate growth, allowing us to capitalize on the extraordinary current opportunities in Bitcoin mining. In 2021, we are amplifying our focus on initiatives that will drive further growth for RIOT, including increasing the U.S.-based share of the Bitcoin mining landscape. End quote. BitDigital Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol BTBT, has announced its 2020 financial highlights, which include a Bitcoin mining revenue of $21.07 million, the earning of 1,510.20 Bitcoins from the firm's Bitcoin mining business, and a net income from continuing operations of $1.92 million. BitDigital's CFO Erica Huang said, quote, 2020 was an extraordinary year as BitDigital successfully entered and rapidly scaled its Bitcoin mining business and today enjoys one of the highest operating hash rates of any U.S.-listed Bitcoin mining company at 2,253.5 petahash, end quote. LNK Global Technologies Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol LNK, has provided an update on its profit share Bitcoin mining operations, indicating that the arrival and installation of 1,515 Bitcoin mining rigs under a profit share mining partnership with BitDigital Inc. are underway and will be fully operational on or around April 5th, 2021. LNK's president and CEO, Stephen Jenkins, said, quote, we have worked diligently towards the delivery, testing, installation, and operation of these machines. We are eager to take advantage of the all-time high Bitcoin price we are currently experiencing. We look forward to providing more updates as we continue to strategically add more hash rate. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Play Music, and most audio platforms available.